Friends, welcome to Abhidhamma part 11. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about Pagannika or miscellaneous sections. In this section, Chitta or consciousness classified by feeling, Vedana, roots, Hetu, function or Kicha, dose or Dwara, object, Alambana and basis, Vattu. So, there are so many classifications, so these are the main classifications of these things, and I will describe it in the videos regarding all these things. The next one is Viti or cognitive series. That means how our mind is working, how the mental process is going on the inside of mind. So that is called a Viti. Whenever an outside object comes in contact with the five senses, how the mental process is going. So that is called Chitta Vedi. So we are going to study about this Chitta Vedi also. There are 6 type of Vijnana Chittas or consciousness, and there are 6 type of Vedi, and there are cognitive process 6 classes, and the next one is 6 type of Visayapavati, and Vidi Chittas and Vidi Vimutta Chittas. There are some Chittas that take part in the cognitive series, and some part doesn't take part in the cognitive series. So we are going to see all this in this videos. So let's go to the video for details. Hello friends, welcome to Abhidhamma part 11. So in this we are going to discuss about Pakinnika or miscellaneous. So in these videos, the Chitta or consciousness is classified by different types of feeling, roots, function, dose, object as Alambana and basis or Vattu. So I'll give a short description so that you are aware of the terminologies that is used in Abhidhamma, so that you can understand difficult things in advance. So the first of all, the Chitta or consciousness is classified as feeling or Vedana. So it is actually it is 3 kinds of Vedana. First is Sukha Vedanas, Dukkha Vedana and Asukha Adukha Vedana. So these 3 types of Vedana is for both body as well as mind. But it is also classified into 5 type of Vedanas. Dukkha, that is physical Dukkha. Sukha, that is for physical pleasure. Dukkha, for physical pain. Somanasa, that means joy, mental pleasure. And Domanasa, that means mental pain. And Ubeka or equanimity. So there are so many type of Chittas connected with each and these things. So you should try to understand the difference between these type of Vedanas. Then the second time, it is divided into root. There are 6 roots: Lobha, Dosa, Moha, Alobha, Adosa and Amoha. You have already know that. And it is also divided into 14 type of functions. And the first one is rebirth linking function or Padisandhi. That means, Padisandhi means the last Chittas that arises and goes to the next body. So that is called Padisandhi Chitta. And the next term is life continuum or Bhavanga. Bhavanga means the continuous flow of our Chittas, that is processed free Chittas, that is means Bhavanga or inner consciousness. Whatsoever is happening within us, so that is called Bhavanga. Bhavanga means the anga of the bhava or the part of the life. So that is called Bhavanga. And the next is adverting or avajana. Whenever some outside object is seen, our mind adverts towards that. So that is called adverting. And the next is seeing consciousness. That means the consciousness that see the object. Then hearing consciousness, smelling consciousness, tasting consciousness, touching consciousness. All this consciousness do different type of functions. Then the next is somebody chana or receiving. So for example, this consciousness arises in the base, then the Chitta receive this consciousness. That is called somebody chana Chitta. And the next chitta is Sandirana, that is the in a part of cognitive series or the mental process. The next chitta analyze this, investigating. So all these things we'll study in the next chapter, but I'm just giving just outline. And the next one is determining or what happened. After investigating, it will determine whether it is good or bad, something. So that is called what happened. And Javana means there is no exact translation. Javana means running fast, something like that. That means consciousness start enjoying the result of determination. So that is called Javana. And the next one is Tadaramana or registering consciousness. That means after this Javana incident is over, then something register. You won't understand this now, but when we talk about Chitta Vidhi, we will understand all these things. Then the 14th one is Chitta, death or Chudi. That means the last consciousness that arises when we are dying. Then this Chitta is also divided into the function as per the door. So there are 5 doors, that is a material phenomenon, that is Rupa. There are 5 doors, that is eye, ear, nose, tongue, and our body. So these are the 5. And the next one is the Bhavanga Chitta or the inside that mind. So that is called Bhavan Chitta or life continuum. So these are the 6 doors. And there are 6 objects also. It is called Alambana. 6 kind of object is visible form, sound, smell, taste, tangible, and the next mental one. And there are 6 mental objects also, that is called sensitive matters of our physical base. That means the sensitive matters in ear, eyes, and 5 these things. Then there are subtle matters. Subtle matters means around 16 types of material phenomena are there. So when we study about the Rupa, we'll learn about that. Then the next is consciousness or the Chitta. Then the mental factors are there, Chetasika is there, then the Nibbana is there, then the concept or conventional realities are there. So these are the objects that the mind takes for itself. And the next one is Vattu or base. So it is the physical base, that means eye base, ear base, nose base, tongue base, body base, and heart base, or these are the bases. So these are the bases. So there are so many things associated with this. That means how many chittas and chetasika are associated with feeling and root, function, dose, and object and bhatu. It becomes quite confusing. So we just give only outline so that you can study further. So we'll go to the next chapter. So that is Vidhi or cognitive series. Vidhi or cognitive series. This is a chain of consciousness when an object appears in the sense door. For example, we are seeing something outside. So there is a chain of consciousness that is happening from the moment it comes to the eyes or ear or 5 bases. Then again the chitta, there are so many things happening in this chitta. So that is called cognitive series or chitta vidhi. It is just like a road, and where the chitta is moving, it always moves in a straight way. Actually, the chitta arises and passes away around 1000 billion times per eye wink. So that is called the chitta. And the body also, or the rupa also, arises and passes away so many times, so many billions of times. One chitta khana means 3 short intervals there. That is one mind movement. It has got 3 instance. That is uppada, that means arising. Tidhi, that means it survives. Then bhanga, that means it dissolves. So every chitta khana, it has got 3 instances: ulpada, tidhi, and bhanga. And the lifespan of rupa or corporeality, the mind is taking birth as well as dying billions of time per eye wink. The same way, the rupa or the corporeality also arises and passes away very fast. And 17 chitta khana, when passes away, then only one rupa khana arises. That means When one Rupa arises, or the body, that material that arises, then 17 Chittakshana arises and pass away. And the Rupa, that means our corporeality, it arises and passes away in billions of units. That means not one unit, but the Chitta arises and passes away in a series of cognitive series. So it is in a orderly fashion this mind is working. But the body, it is arises passes of millions of billions of units together. And there are 6 Vijnana Chittas or consciousness. So that is called one Chakku Vijnana. That means 2 eye consciousness. 2 eye consciousness means one is Kusala, that means wholesome eye consciousness, and second is unwholesome eye consciousness. This eye consciousness is always Vipaka, so that we have to understand. So this Chakku Vijnana, 2 eye consciousness, then Soda Vijnana, 2 ear consciousness, Ghana Vijnana, 2 nose consciousness, Jiva Vijnana, 2 tongue consciousness, Kaya Vijnana, 2 body consciousness, and Mano Vijnana consists of 79 type of mind consciousness. So these are the total type of Vijnana Chittas. So 79 mind consciousness. So 79 plus 10, it become total 89. So this many Vijnanas are there total. Eye consciousness arises at the eye door, and the eye base is there. The mind consciousness arise at the mind door and the Hadevatu and the heart. That means eye consciousness arises at the eye door, at the eye base. That means our eyes are there, then some outside objects are there, then when it comes come in contact, this mind consciousness arises. And the mind door consciousness arises on the basis of Hadevatu. So that is the meaning of this. Then there are 6 type of Vidhi or cognitive series, or 6 sense door. Then 6 type of cognitive series are there. First is Chakkudwara Vidhi, cognitive series of consciousness connecting with the eye door or eye consciousness. Then Swadadwara Vidhi, same consciousness connected with the ear door. Then Ghana, then Jiva and Kaya and Manodwara Vidhi. So these are the different types of cognitive series that is associated with each and everything. So we will study it further in the next videos. Then this cognitive process is 6 classes, and that's what we are studying. First is 6 bases. This cognitive series is happening in 6 base, 6 door, 6 object, 6 type of consciousness, 6 process, 6 fold presentation of object. So these are the things that we are studying now. The causes of arising Vidhi. The 4 conditions must present before arising the Vidhi. They are, for example, when we are seeing something, there are 4 conditions should be present for arising all the Chitta Vidhi. And for ear consciousness, for that ear cognitive series, if it should arises, there should be 4 causes. First one is Chakku Pasada, or the eye must be good. Chakku Pasada means our eye is there, that inside eyes, whatever that eye sensitivity, it should be there. Then Ruparamana or visible object must be present outside. Ruparamana means visible object should be outside. Then Aloka or light should be there. And the 4th one is Manasikara. The attention should be there. Then only we can, this eye consciousness or the Chakku Vidhi will start. And for Soda, that means hearing, also 4 things should be there. First is Soda Pasada or the ear base, Saddha, that means sound, Akasa, that means space, and Manasikara or attention should be there. Then only we can hear something. Likewise, Ghana, that means smelling, Ghana Pasada should be there. That means nose should be there, Gandha Aramana should be there, the smell should be there, Vayu, the air should be there, then the Manasikara, attention should be there. Then Jihvadara Vidhi, the Jiva Pasada or the tongue base should be there, Rasaramana, the taste should be there, Apo, the water should be there, and the Manasikara, attention should be there. Then the next is Kaya Dwara Vidhi, the Kaya Pasada or the body should be there. Then Fodabharamana, the touching object should be there, the Padavi or the earth should be there. That means gross Padavi, it is not subtle Padavi, gross Padavi. then Manasikara 10 should be there. For Manodhara Vidhi, Manodwara should be there, and Dhamma Arammana, the Dhamma Arammana, the Dhamma should be there within the mind, and the Hatevattu or the heart base should be there, then the Manasikara should be there. So these are the 4 causes of arising the Vidhis. Then 6 type of Visaya Pravati or presentation of sense object happens at the Panchadwara, these things. That means there are the 5 this 5 Panchadwara, the type of Visaya Pravati or presentation subject are different in different these things. First is the Panchadwara, then 5 bases, the presentation of sense object, it differs. For example, some clear, some rupa or shraddha or taste, and everything will be one clear, then one is not that much clear, one is little bit clear, so like that it is called. So as per that, the cognitive series varies. For example, it is called Ati Mahandarammana, that means very great intensity of outside object. If it is there, then a very cognitive, long cognitive series will be there. That means mind process will be very long. Mahandarammana means great intensity, then it will be long cognitive series. Then Parittaramana means slight intensity, something outside that is coming, then the cognitive series will be little bit less. Then Adiparitta Arammana, even slighter, then no cognitive series will be there. So then the Visaya Pravati at the Manodhara, in the mind also the cognitive series differs, that is Vibhudarambana, that means clear presentation of sense subject in the mind, then there will be very long cognitive series. Then Avibhudarambana, that means obscure presentation of sense object in the mind, then it will not be that much clear. Now we'll see what are the Vidhi Chittas and Vidhi Vimutta Chittas. Vidhi Chitta means some Chittas that passes through this 17 moment of this process, and some Chittas doesn't take part in this process. So those Chittas that take part in this process, that means cognitive series, this process, it is called Vidhi Chittas, and those Chittas that doesn't take part in this process, that is called Vidhi Vimutta Chitta. Vidhi Chitta is called Vidhi consciousness, and Vidhi Vimutta Chitta is Vidhi free consciousness. Chittas which participate in the cognitive series of consciousness are Vidhi Chittas. The Chittas which don't participate in the cognitive series is Vidhi Vimutta Chittas. So there are 19 Chittas are there that doesn't participate in the Vidhi. So they are called Vidhi Vimutta Chittas. So they are 2 Ubekha Sandirana Chittas that we have seen in Aheduka Kusala Vibhaga, 2 Ubekha Sandirana Chittas, and 8 Maha Vibhaga Chittas that we have seen in the Kama Sobhana Chittas. 24 Kama Sobhana Chitta, we have seen 8 Maha Vibhaga Chittas and 9 Mahaggada Vibhaga Chittas. That means Rupa and Arupa Jhana, we have seen that Mahaggada Chittas, Vibhaga Chittas are not involved in the cognitive series. When the reform, rebirth function, life continuing function and death function. That means all these things, Sandirana Chittas, Ubekha Sandirana Chittas, 8 Mahavibhaga Chittas, 9 Mahaggada Vibhaga Chittas, when they are involved in life rebirth functions. Rebirth function means it is departing from this soul or this body, then it is going to another body. So that is called rebirth functions. Life continuing function means it continues the function as the chitta, that means life bhavanga. So that is called life continuum. It departs from this body and it continues as a bhavanga, then it also death function. That means it depart from this body, that is called death function. Life continuum will be there, and it join with another body, so that is called rebirth functions. So these 19 chittas are process feed. That means it doesn't go the process straight way, it goes in that. But of the above 19 chittas, 2 Ubeka Santirana chitta are involved in cognitive series when they perform investigative function or registering function. Out of this 19 chittas, these 2 Ubeka Santirana chittas. Santirana means investigating. So we are going to see this Santirana chitta in the cognitive series. And these Ubeka Santirana chittas are involved in cognitive series when they perform investigating function. Some consciousness comes, though this investigating function or Santirana chitta investigate what type of consciousness is. So that is called the investigating function or registering function. Sometimes it acts also tadalambana. That means Votthapana. That means registering. And 8 Mahavibhaga take part in cognitive series when they perform registering function. And this Mahavibhaga, they also take part in the registering function or Votthapana. So at that time also, at that time it is process, it is not process free. At that time the cognitive takes part in the cognitive series. So these 10 chittas must be included in the cognitive counting Vidi classes, and only 9 Mahagada Vibhaga chittas are totally free from cognitive series. So total Vidi chittas are 89 minus 9 is 80. That means 9 Mahagada Vibhaga chitta are totally this Vidi free. But these 2 Ubeka Santirana chittas and 8 Mahavibhaga chittas, they can be either Vidi Vimutta or Vidi chittas. Some chittas perform their function only through one door. Example, Soda Vijnana or Kusala Vibhaga or Asula Vibhaga. So this type of chittas only function through one ear door. But some chittas perform multiple function, like Santirana chittas or functions different doorway. It also function without doorway also, when it function as Padisandhi, Bhavanga and Chudi. So this type of Santirana chitta function different ways. Not only one way, there are so many ways, because it may in the Vidi chittas, it may be in the Vidi Vimutta chittas. So Santirana chitta accompanied by feeling or Ubeka or Somanasa. Santirana chitta, we have seen that it is accompanied with 2 type of feeling. One is Ubeka feeling or neutral feeling, dusra Somanasa feeling. That means joyful feeling. When it is with Ubeka, it can perform Santirana through 5 door and Tadaramana. That means registering function after Javana. Tadaramana, registering function after Javana through 6 door. When it is accompanied by Ubeka, it can perform 5 functions. Functions of Santirana through 5 doors, function of Tadaramana through 6 doors, and function of Padisandhi without any door, and function of Bhavanga without any door, function of Chudi without any door. And 3 type of identity chittas, that is called one Padisandhi chittas and Bhavanga chittas and Chudi chittas. They are called identity chittas. For normal human beings, one of the 8 Mahavibhaga chitta function as Padisandhi, Bhavanga and Chudi chitta. The sense object of these chittas take at the Maranasanna Nimitta, which happened just before death and immediately past life. Present life will live as long as Kusala Chitta Kamma that feed us, but which give rebirth, keep supporting before we take Kusala and Akusala Kamma, Kombit and one Kamma come before that. It is saying that this Chudi Chitta, that is Padisandhi Chitta, Bhavanga Chitta and Chuddhi Chitta. So these are the three type of chittas that involve when we are dying. For example, when we are dying, that last chitta is called Chuddhi Chitta. Then it goes to another body, so that is called Padisandhi Chitta, and there is a Bhavanga Chitta also. So there is something sort of Maranasanna Nimitta. That means when we are going to die, there will be three signs or symbols in which this Bhavanga Chittas manifest itself in front of us. It may be in the form of karma. For example, we are killing in our daily life. So at that time we will be remembering some killing or sign of karma or karma nimitta, that is called karma nimitta. Or we will be seeing the weapon that is used for killing or sign of destiny, that means gati nimitta, which where we are going. Sometimes that sort of things that we can see that. So that's also there. So these are the that Chuddhi Chitta and Padisandhi Chitta and Bhavanga Chitta. And there are three type of Bhavanga Chittas: Adida Bhavanga, Bhavanga Chalana, Bhavanga Upacheda. Adida Bhavanga means it is a part of that Bhavanga, and Bhavanga Chalana means then the Bhavanga will vibrate once or twice. Bhavanga Upacheda means it will cut off from that stream of consciousness. Then it start trying to understand what is happening outside. So that is called Bhavanga Upacheda. So all these things we will see in the next video, where the cognitive series are clearly explained. Till then, goodbye.